Hi, it's Marieta. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. I'm actually going to talk about how to scale your business as an E2 investor. In other words, how can you boost your business, your sales, grow it even 5x or even maybe even 10x. So stay tuned. Alright, so in this video I'm going to talk about how you can actually grow and scale your business, because recently I actually asked you guys what do you want me to talk about, and you guys asked for this, so I'm delivering. So how can you scale your business, right? Obviously we're talking entrepreneurs, we're talking people who are in the United States on E2 visa or L visa, or maybe you're an aspiring entrepreneur, someone who wants to move to the United States on E2 visa or L visa, and you are just starting out. Or maybe you have started recently and you're struggling and you have no idea how to actually scale your company, how to grow your company. So this video will be about how to make it happen. So let me start with tip number 1. Utilize the power of social media. Now, what do I mean by that? Decide what platform you're going to use and then be very active on that platform and engage with people. Add value, add content. If you can do it, make sure you're doing it daily, or maybe even 3-4 times a week if you cannot do it daily. Like I decided to go with YouTube because I love to talk, and for me making videos is fun, it's easy, and I'm getting positive feedback from you guys. So obviously I'm utilizing this platform, YouTube, right? When you decide what platform you're going to utilize, I want you to dominate that platform. So again, like if you search, for example, keyword E2 visa, chances are that you're going to see a lot of videos from me, because I decided to dominate platform YouTube in the keyword E2 visa. So if you are, I don't care what you do, whether it's an online business or it's an on-site business, physical location business, you need to understand the power of social media. And I also kind of don't care how old you are, because if you have any resistance towards the social media and you think it's just for teenagers or young adults, that's not true. There is like so much money there, and you can totally utilize it for you and grow your business via social media, because social media will actually be the channel how you acquire customers. So I want you to pick the YouTube or Instagram or Facebook or LinkedIn in some cases. Pick one, start with one, and literally create a plan how you're going to dominate. All right? Step number 2, and that is actually connected with step number 1. Step number 2 is know your audience. In other words, who is your potential prospect, potential client, customer? And in other words, create this ideal customer avatar. Let me explain what I mean. In marketing, if you want to deliver the message, which is, by the way, the solution to the problem, you absolutely need to understand who is on the other side. Who am I targeting, right? And the more you understand their desires, their needs, their pain, you will be able to craft this message. But there is no way you can actually craft the message. And by the way, the message is actually step 3 that I was going to talk about. But let's go back. In order to do that, you need to know your customer. Who are you serving? If you are starting out, if you are totally new to this business, if you are new to entrepreneurship, I mean, I don't care what you sell, whether it's a product or a service, you absolutely need to be very, very, very crystal clear on who are you actually serving, who are you helping with whatever that is, service or product. Because here's the deal, if you are not sure who that person is, your message is going to be very general, and you will not be able to acquire these prospects or clients or customers. In other words, you won't be able to attract them to your business, right? So the more specific you are, the better for your business. And let me tell you a tip number 3, 4, 5, whatever the tip is. Here's the deal. you need to be very specific. You cannot be afraid to go and be very specific. For example, you are starting a digital agency. Amazing, but at the same time, there's so many digital agencies out there, right? And let me tell you, it's gonna be rather challenging for you to acquire clients if you are serving everyone. And so you need to actually step out of the sea of other people that are offering the same service or product. You need to differentiate yourself, stand out, right? So people can actually see you, all right, that's the person who is doing this and that, and I want to work with her or him, because that is exactly the person who has the solution to my problem. Now, in order to do that, if you want to step out, right, you want to be visible, you want to be seen, you need to change the message. And in order to change the message, you need to be very crystal clear who are you serving, and you need to niche down, in other words. So again, let me give you an example. Digital agency. Why don't you niche down to who you serve in terms of, let me give you an example. You're going to serve moms age 25 to 30 who are just starting new business because they feel lost, they don't know how to start a business. Obviously, you're going to help these women, and it's a very different messaging because they use different language, they use different terminology than, for example, if you're serving professionals, like maybe you're serving lawyers or accountants who are in business for over 15 years, right? So you're going to niche down, literally, you're going to pick a niche, you're going to pick the niche depending on the avatar. So in order to pick the niche, you need to be very, very specific on that avatar. And there are people asking me, who should I serve? And you know what, guys, just go with your heart. Honestly, it's not that difficult. Let me give you an example. I decided to serve entrepreneurs, foreign entrepreneurs who want to become immigrants and want to start business in the United States and want to build 7-figure business. That is my avatar. Like, if you are in that category, probably you are watching this video, you are aspiring entrepreneur, you are watching this video because you want to grow your business. At the same time, you are immigrant or aspiring immigrant who wants to move to the United States to start a profitable business, preferably 7 figures, right? Now, I decided to do that because I am the same. I am immigrant, I am entrepreneur, I'm foreigner, I started with $700, I've been through the same path, so I can understand you, I can connect with you on the personal level, and it's coming from my heart. And you feel that. You know that. I'm not faking it because I've been through the same process. So I want you to actually utilize your own story. I want you to utilize your own pain, your own struggles you actually overcame, because then you are actually serving with integrity. If you don't have integrity, people won't buy from you. All right? If you're just serving because you want to make money and you don't care, people won't buy from you. You need to serve with integrity. In other words, you have to serve from your heart. All right? So if you are deciding, who should I serve? How do I choose this avatar? How do I craft this avatar? It's not that difficult. Just listen to your heart. Be true to your heart. Listen to your heart. That's it. And then don't be afraid to niche down. Like in my case, literally, I'm just serving entrepreneurs. I don't serve people who need help with deportation. I don't serve people who need help with family immigration. I don't serve people who are seeking employment, green card via employment. I literally say no to all these people so I can serve my ideal people, my tribe, you guys, right? So by saying no, I'm actually saying yes to people who are ideal and that I actually want to serve, and that I actually have fun working together, and I actually deliver amazing results. So do not be afraid, because there is this little trick going on in your mind. Like, it's like a mind trick, right? That is telling you, oh, but if I say no to so many people, am I going to be actually profitable? Am I going to actually build this business? Heck yeah. In fact, you're going to boost yourself because you are becoming expert in your field, right? And the more you serve, obviously, this customer avatar, the more experience you gain and the better you become and the better results you deliver. So really, you are actually becoming an expert, and therefore you are able to charge premium prices because you are the best, right? Now, tip number 3, I already mentioned it, is to craft resonating message. You need to craft resonating message. In order to craft resonating message, and by the way, what is it, resonating message? You craft sort of message that is describing the problem that your avatar, your client avatar has, and the solution you are offering. And in between is the message, right? And the message is resonating only if you know your client avatar, right? And you need to have the perfect solution to that problem. And when you create that, the message will definitely resonate, and you can share the message again via social media platform that I told you you're going to decide that you're going to dominate. And that is how you're going to share the message. And when you do that, it's going to resonate with your avatar. Just like this video is probably resonating with some of you guys. Obviously, there are some people who are like, what is she talking about? And those people are not the right people. Those people are not the people I want to work with. But if you are like, oh my God, I totally love what she's talking about, then it means that it's resonating with you, right? So you're going to do the same. You're going to craft the resonating message. And that way, my dear, you're going to actually grow your business. That way you're going to scale your business, because you're going to have more leads, and because you're going to close more people, and you're going to provide value, and you're going to solve more problems. So I hope you like this video. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, comments, tips, leave them below. And I also want to know, what is your number one challenge with scaling and growing your company right now? So talk to me, leave a comment below. I want to know, what is your number one challenge? Give me one challenge you have right now, and I'm going to pick that challenge, and I'm going to create a video for you, and exactly I'm going to answer that challenge, and I will give you a solution for free. All right, so make sure to do that. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. And also, if you do like this content, like it, share it with people who might need this information. And otherwise, stay tuned for the next video, because in the next video, I'm going to talk about sales and strategy of sales and how to actually boost your sales. So have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, and thanks for watching.